We're gonna light things on fire today. Sound good?
No.
Okay, so we're gonna make this pretty. When you lower your car, suspension geometry gets all mangled, so we're doing some things to prevent that. Alright, do you know how to work a torch?
No.
Me neither. I just learned on YouTube like 2 minutes ago. So, first thing you're gonna do, hold this. Alright, ready? Okay, so, oh wait, first we gotta put on our mask. Yeah, put that on. Alright, make sure you have this thing secure. Looks good. Okay, so slowly turn this knob to the left. And once you hear the hissing sound, stop. You're turning it to the right, buddy.
I turned it. I can't.
Turn. Yeah, you got it. There you go. All right, I'm gonna light it. Okay, we have a torch. So go ahead and start burning things. We should probably go over this side because the wind's blowing towards you. Get a little closer, get in there. Yeah. Okay, and just let it burn.
What does this do?
So, see how there's like a little ledge, or a little gap here?
Yeah.
Where the rubber comes up?
Uh-huh.
We want to get rid of that. It smells wonderful. Alright, and then let's move on to the front two.
Oh.
Yeah, I gotta burn all these guys. It's like toasting marshmallows, huh? Okay, now you can go to the other side. So it lights on fire. Once it catches on fire, you can just keep jumping back and forth. Promise it'll get a little more interesting beyond this. Okay, once they're all nice and toasty, what you can do is grab a pair of vice grips. So these, once you squeeze them to a certain point, they'll just clamp and lock up.
Okay.
So grab the little hole thingy.
This?
Yeah. And just squeeze really tight till you hear it click. Almost there. Ah, there you go. And then start twisting left and right. There you go. And then they'll start coming out eventually. So do more twisting than pulling. There you go. And pull it out. It's a boy.
What the heck?
Yeah. So once we have it out, this one fell out because it was just so old and just bad while I was moving it. So once they're all out, we're gonna go ahead and start cutting into them so that we can get all of this out.
How do you unclamp this?
There's a little
This
thing right here. So you push that. Like, yeah, there you go. Okay, so now we just got to get these ones a little more toasty because they're still kind of intact, but we're making some progress with it.
Okay. It says danger. Extremely flammable gas.
What?
Keep away from heat, sparks, or flame. You can't be putting that lighter near it.
Do you want me to do it?
No.
Okay. Let's do it. If it explodes, at least we both get hurt together. Right? Yeah, you're gonna want to kind of get like those prongs there. Ooh, we should take off our gloves actually.
Well, it's too late now, you butt.
It's okay, whatever. Alright, I think that one looks just about good. You can turn that off now and we'll go ahead and try to clamp them out.
Okay. I don't think they're ready though.
You don't think so?
No.
Alright, we can try. We can try at least.
No,
Lindsay?
it's still kind of fresh. My hands hurt.
Yeah, it's like tearing right there
I
though.
know.
That sucks.
That one.
We'll see. Oh God, I almost died.
No.
Okay.
What was that?
You're good. Alright, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna flip it around and burn the underside. We're gonna burn the underside now, just so it's. You gotta put your mask all the way on, buddy.
I can't breathe.
So we're gonna flip it around and burn the underside so it evenly melts. Ooh, so strong. Alright, just drop it.
No.
That's fine. It's not that heavy. Okay, just slowly lower it onto the ground.
I can't.
Just.
I can't.
I believe in you. Just go down. Yeah, there you go. There you go.
Baba!
What's the issue? Just lower it onto the. There you go. That wasn't so hard, was it?
I hate big noises.
Big noises?
And I was afraid that it might like slide and hit my knee.
Oh, your knee.
Yeah.
Your knee's not that low. Okay. So if we burn the underside, wait, actually, looks like it's already almost out. Anyway, we'll just burn the underside.
I need to pull it.
Yeah. Here, let me help you really quick. Let me pull it. Oh, or not. Okay. There you go. And then put the middle part on wood so it's a little elevated. It's easier for you. Alright, yep.
Am I supposed to take off my gloves?
Yeah, you should take off your gloves. Just, I got you.
It's not connected.
Oh,
to
there's a
this.
spider there. Burn it.
No!
He's gonna die anyway.
You're gonna get hella hate comments, watch.
We'll just cut this out later.
You know that's how serial killers start?
Killing
It's
bugs?
Killing animals.
Poor thing. At least it didn't suffer.
It did suffer! What the heck are you talking about? Sorry, spider.
You're the one that killed it.
You
I'm the
told
one
me
that
to kill
recorded
it. Hey, this is you teaching me how to
Kill things?
build cars.
Yeah.
So
Alright, let's
Listen
let that
to
burn
you.
for a little. This way is probably a little more effective because it's actually catching fire.
Oh no, there's a baby spider. There's two baby spiders.
You're killing a whole family
Oh my
of
God,
spiders.
Oh,
Oh, you're a oh my goodness.
please don't put that in there.
One of them spiders. You maniac.
Don't put that in
We're
there.
putting that in. Look,
No.
look, he's right there, dead.
Don't put that
He's just
in
dead.
there.
Don't worry, people kill. Oh god, that smells really bad. Alright, keep burning it so it looks like that. This one's out, so we might be able to pull it off. Did you just fart?
Yeah. Don't put that. Don't put that in there. I'm serious. Don't put.
I'll put on gloves and I'll move it here. Alright.
Honestly, I'm just playing around at this point.
You're a pyromaniac.
Okay. Let's try this again.
You know what we could try, actually? So, clamp it on there. And then, what we can do for more leverage is stick something like through here.
No.
Okay, so clamp it back. We'll try something. There you go.
Oh, yes! Okay.
Alright. That's 3 of 4. Whew.
Okay.
I'm tired.
go.
You should wear gloves.
You should wear gloves.
I'm wearing gloves.
Okay.
Alright, let's try to do the same thing with this one. I feel like it would work.
I don't think so.
You don't think so? Let's try it. Okay, ready?
Ready? Hey.
Okay, yeah, that's not happening.
No, we're almost there. Ready? 1, 2. Hey.
Oh, something's happening.
Go, go. This one's stuck.
Let me come back around.
Careful, don't stab yourself. Right.
I'm trying not to stab you more than anything else. There you go, see?
Woo!
It's a little bit of teamwork.
See, if I was by myself, I would not be able to do this.
Yeah, much like a lot of car things. And yank it out. Nice.
What?
Now we gotta cut the sleeves out that hold the rubber in place.
Oh.
So, here you go. Face the cutting end into this and just start cutting through it. Okay?
Huh?
So,
Cutting through?
yeah.
Like the whole plate right here?
Yeah, up until this little lip here. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah, slowly and then this is one spot. So once you've cut through the entire sleeve pretty much, you can start hammering this little ledge here and the whole thing will just pop right out. See? You can hit it real hard if you want.
What if it's not cutting out?
You can just keep hitting it. Brute force and ignorance. See how it's already like coming out? So just work your way around.
This is the reality. I'm over it already.
I didn't want Rizza to strain herself because she has tendonitis in her wrist.
You can see my face right now. I'm so over it.
With a bunch of brute force. A bunch of brute force ignorance and it's not. Slowly but surely.
Woo!
Oh. Okay.
How did he expect me to do that? By myself?
I didn't. So, this is what we're throwing in. Shiny gold pieces. My mom's disappointed in me. Yeah. We're out. And this just, ideally should just slide right in. We'll hammer it in later, but I don't want to ruin it just yet. Oh. Yeah. Whew. One down. 3 to go.
We're going at it for a while, and I think this is the reason why. Before, I would get mad at him because he would work on his car for hours, and he would tell me it'll only take like an hour or so. Now, it took like all day, and like I would always ask like if we could get boba, like boba night runs and stuff, and he's like, yeah, that's fine, like I should be done in like a few hours. No, I'd be so mad because he would lie and tell me he would be done, but in reality, something always comes up, and now I know why.
This sucks. I wouldn't want to do this alone, and I don't expect her to do it alone. So, I'm contributing kind of. We're breaking some rules.
Sorry, it's not girlfriend build, not drift car anymore.
It's we both suffer.
Well, I'll mostly build it. Just these type of things. I don't think my small hands will do.
I have small hands too. There's no excuse.
So sorry to everyone.
No, okay. You don't have to say sorry. All right. Well, we're making some progress. We cut that one up, and we're hammering it. My back hurts.
This is probably boring as hell.
So for the rear one, we cut that relief cut. Oh, just hit it really hard. That one came out a lot easier than that one.
But then it was hard for us to even try to cut inward at the top part, on the top. So we decided to do the bottom.
And it worked out real well.
Worked out. 2 more to go.
All right. Ooh. Made the relief cuts for the last two.
Or stand on it.
And now Rizza's just gonna hammer it out.
Yeah, it's...
Wait, we did it like this last time, right? Oh. Oh, I'm so sorry. Are you okay? I'm sorry. I snuck.
He hammered my fingers.
Alright, hammering is not a 2-man job. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I feel so bad. Alright, we're quitting.
We're quitting the series.
I feel so bad. Oh.
This is probably gonna be the first of many, honestly.
Yeah. I'll stay away from you next time, I promise. We're good though.
Both of my hands are gonna be...
We're good though. We're good.
Decapitated somehow. It's so tough though. I really don't think just a girl.
No, I mean, with the right amount of practice, yes.
No. You just got rusted.
Yeah, it's rusty.
Super rusted. Whatever
I'm gonna clean this. It's a subframe.
Subframe.
Yeah, I am so sorry.
Oh. He's so traumatized, right?
So since we already got one out on camera, we didn't want to bore you.
But my fingers are broken now.
And she was already taken out of the game. So I had to sub in. But we got all of them out. The last one took
a really long time. For no reason.
No reason.
But
now
we call it a day.
Night.
We're gonna use degreaser, right?
I think so.
Alright.
So we gotta clean off all the gunk. Let's get it all over that.
Inside?
Inside, outside. Tomorrow and get it all painted up and pretty.
This is a workout for your fingers.
Yeah, so this eats up all the gross stuff and we can just wash it all down later.
Gross.
All the good stuff's already coming off. Okay, I think you're good. We're gonna go cook some burgers now. I think we're good for the night. Ooh.